Hi, today's video I'm going to turn this image into this cartoony trendy image. So without wasting any more time, let's begin to. Firstly, I'll go to this website which is called stylized.ai and then I will sign up quickly with Google. Let's give some details about me and then click on start creating. Now click on new project and as you can see it's very simple website. You will start by importing your image from here. Click on this. So let's bring this image of famous character Imran Khan and then go to this button called image to image. Click on it. Now you can choose the style that you want your image to be turned into, but before that let's just use AI to describe our image. This will help the tool to recognize what is already in the image itself. So let's press into this small button and then it will describe the image. Wait a while for describing. The next step, we will go to choose style and choose the style that we want. So we want this cartoony style. We will go to this innocent cutie style and then press on it, and we can use these two sliders to control the end result. So if I want the end image to be as close as possible to my image, I will increase the structure match, and this is the intensity of the side, and then let's press on stylize and let's see the magic. Wait a while to complete. Wow, this is nice, but I think it will not give you great results from the first time. But after one trial I got this one which I think is decent enough to use. So let's press on this image and let's press the button which says place on canvas. For now the image and the mode is great, but of course this is not Imran Khan. So how can we solve it? Our job here is styler is done. So let's export this image by clicking this button which says export. Now choose JPG here and then upscale. Now click on export button, and next step we will go to this website which is called remaker.ai and we will use it to swap face into the face of the image that we generated. So let's press into swap face now, and into the swap image upload the image which we generate into stylized.ai and then upload the swap image, I mean Imran Khan image with the original face, and then click on swap and let AI do its job. Wow, that's great. Let's download this image to see the final result. Alright, that's nice. Here is the final image and this is original image, and this one is the generated using the stylized.ai. Now one final thing, as you can see right now the image resolution is not the best, so we can solve this using also AI, and for this time we will use this tool which is called upscale. Let's download the program. After downloading and installing this upscale software, simply select the image which you can download remaker.ai and skip this step 2, step 3 and just click on upscale. Now this will take some time to refine your image, so wait a while for this to complete. Wow, as you can see it gave us very good results. So let's see the difference. Here is the upscaled one, we have a very high resolution, but this one, look at these edges. Oh my god, I have to admit it, AI is scary guys. Alright, I would love to hear about your experience with playing AI tools. Share your thoughts and results. Comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you found it helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.